viewers, welcome to the video library series of Word of Lord Ministries of the Universe, City of Love and Forgiveness. Happy viewing. Hello viewers, this is one of the video series coming out of the video library of Word of Lord Ministries of the Universe. In this video tagged Mama Destiny Encounter, you are going to hear how through the instrumentality of God's grace, the servant took a woman to heaven, and in the process, God revealed to the woman what is known to everyone, that hell is existing. So everybody should be aware of that by now. But one thing very important is that God revealed through the woman that so many pastors are going to her, and so many don't want to go, but they are being dragged to her. You're going to hear it through the woman too. God revealed that the prayer of the cross given through the servant is from heaven. God called it a weapon. You're going to see it in the book of John 10 verses 30. Jesus lets us know that he and the Father are one. John 20:18, it says, I'm going to my Father and your Father. So the prayer of the cross given specifically to Word of Lord Ministries of the Universe is a weapon through which humanity may be redeemed. It goes to us: Jesus Christ is my Father. How do I behave like him in all situations? Father, Son, Holy Ghost, give me the grace to fulfill this in my lifetime. Another thing very important about the video is that God showed that New Jerusalem, heaven on earth, is a reality. It's a super spiritual reality. It's not just a concept. Matthew 6:10 is not for motivation. And what the servant has been preaching in the Word of Lord Ministries has been confirmed. When this woman went to heaven, God revealed it to her that New Jerusalem is a new life in an old world where people enter and all impossibilities become possible. And the last thing you're going to see in the video is the birth circumstances of the servant. God showed the world. We don't want to hide it. It's God that revealed it. That this man of God is not common. That he was sent basically to redeem humanity. The mystery surrounding his emergence as man of God will be unraveled in the course of time. He's hidden, buried in his name, Ifenacho, Igbo language, meaning what the world is looking for. So as you are watching this video, please pay special attention. It's not an ordinary video. This video has the capacity to change your life and spiritual life forever. Happy viewing.
The gate, the place is not even containing them the way they are rushing to that place now. The way they are trooping in, and that man is there. Make sure that all of them go that place. Look at them. Those ones that are there before, they are crying, they are suffering. They are suffering, they are begging for everything.
They are begging for?
Jesus Christ.
They are begging for everything?
Daddy Jesus Christ.
There are many
Daddy Jesus
big
Christ.
churches?
Daddy big churches.
Yeah.
Big churches. Daddy big churches. Look at human beings. Look at them.
They are crying.
Look at them. Daddy, look at them.
They are crying.
Daddy, look at them. Look at them. They are crying. They are crying. They don't want to go.
They don't want to go?
Yes. They don't have ocean.
Okay.
Then that is the man is telling them, you don't have ocean. This is where you belong.
Yeah. But what made them to be in hell? What made them to be in hell? Check.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah. What made them to be in hell? Check. Check.
They are still talking to them.
Okay.
They are still talking to them.
Okay.
There is one man inside that fire. There is their master. There is the king there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Inside the fire.
Yes.
Okay.
That one is there.
Okay.
That one is there.
Okay.
Some of them, they were misled.
Okay, they were misled.
Yes.
Okay.
They were misled.
Okay.
Yes. Some of them have seen the truth,
okay,
but they refuse to follow it.
Okay.
Some of them is those things that you used to tell us here now, that you used to tell us.
Yeah.
There are some things that we have to keep away from.
Okay.
Some people is anger. Some people, like this woman that I'm seeing now,
yeah,
even as she's going, she's still quarreling.
Okay, she's still quarreling?
Yes, she's still quarreling seriously. That is her own. Many of them is this, many of them now.
Yeah.
Yes. all these small malice, that is what they are telling them.
Okay.
All these small malice.
Okay.
Yes.
They are going to hellfire.
Yes, sir.
What of the word we are preaching here? What is the word of check? What are you saying?
Yes. Yes, as you are talking now, as you are talking, even the devil himself, they know the truth.
Okay, they know the truth.
They know the truth. There is a place. There is a. Look at you now. Look at you. You are like this, watching them. Okay. That man inside the fire is telling them that they should turn. They should see that man. Okay. They should see that man. Okay. That if only that some of them, you see, he was telling them that. Some of you here have heard the word of that man. Okay. Yes, but you failed to follow. Okay. Look at that man. That man inside fire is pointing finger at you. Okay, at me? Yes, sir. He said, look at that man, and you are here, you are there like this. I'm following. You are not. Yes, you are not saying anything. Okay, I'm not saying anything. No. What is the clothes? You are just watching these people. Okay, the clothes I'm wearing. You are putting on white. Okay. You are putting on white. You are like this. And you are holding that crown still on your head though. Okay, the crown. The crown is still there. You are holding a Bible. Okay. You are holding a Bible. I'm holding a Bible? Yeah. Okay. You put it like this. Okay. You are holding a Bible. You put it like this. Okay. That man was using you as an example. Okay. Even pastors are going this place. Pastors? Yes. Even pastors they are going here. They are going here. Even pastors? Yes, sir. They are going here. But there are not many. Daddy, there are many. Some of them, they were holding here. They were holding them here. Okay, they are holding them yes, here? Yes, with suits. Okay. They are putting on suit with shoe. With shoe, they don't want to go. They are dragging them. Some of them, they are holding them with coats. With coats? Yes, with their coats. They are just dragging them. They don't want to go. They don't want to go. That man is still telling them. Okay. His hand is like this towards you. That is, you are just like. His hand is like this. Yeah. You see, like I'm like who? He's showing you now for them that they should see if any of them can be like this. Look at you now. Okay. Yes, he's telling them. Okay. Yeah, all the pastors now, they are crying. They are crying? Yes, they are crying. They are crying. They are crying? Yes. They don't have wash on. They are going. They are crying. They are crying. Okay. Jesus Christ. So hell is real. Jesus Christ. Jesus, that the people that are going to this place now. Yeah. There are too many. Even if I'm trying even to cut it from here to this place, just to try to count the meat, no way for me to count. You can't count? I cannot count. There are many. Yes. Okay, what the Lord Ministry going to do in order to save these people that are still alive today? Let's check. What are we going to do? Going to check. Is this your preaching that you are preaching, that you are still preaching there? Okay. The way you used to tell us. Okay, the way I used to tell? Yes, that is what you are still telling us there. Okay. But people are coming. Okay. People are coming. Many people are taking this your word. Okay, many people are taking my word. Yes, okay. Many people they are taking it. And see this church now. Yeah. Even chair now is they are still look at the chair now. Okay. Chair is out of the church now again. Okay. Yes. Chair is out of the church because the more your word is bringing more people. It's bringing more people? Yes, it's bringing more people. They are trooping in now that they are coming to where they will be safe. Okay, they are coming to where they will be safe. Even see, from gate now, people are running to come. People are running to come? Yes, even women with their children on their back. Hook on their back? Yes, sir. They are running that this is where they will see. This is, that is here now. Yeah. This place now. Yeah. It's a place where whoever come will be safe. Let me put it like that. Okay. Because the way they are coming and they are talking, they are coming to they are going to where they will be saved. That is what is coming out of their mouth.
Okay, that's what they are saying?
Yes, sir.
Where they will be saved. And this place is filled up?
Yes, sir.
What are you seeing of the future of this ministry? What are you seeing? What are you check?
The future of this ministry, that the people, what I'm seeing here.
Yeah.
What I'm seeing now,
Yeah.
people are like sand.
People are like sand.
Yes, people are like sand. People are like sand.
Okay.
See,
Yeah.
see, the up now,
Yeah.
the up now, the up. People are up.
Yeah.
They are seeing you. That is, they are up. They
Yeah.
are sitting up.
Yeah.
But we are watching you. You are down.
Yeah.
Yes, we are listening to you.
Yeah.
Daddy, I don't know how to put it.
Is
You
that-
are here now preaching.
Okay.
You are here. The population is too much.
Okay, it's an upstairs
Yes, sir.
or gallery.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's round.
Round.
Yes, it's round like this, and people.
Yeah.
So all their attention is where you are here.
Okay.
You are here. You are down.
Okay.
You are down. You are speaking to these people on the ground,
Okay.
on the down,
Okay.
and the people up also.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That is what we are doing now.
Okay. What of the prayer of the cross? Let's check. The prayer of the cross. Check.
Prayer of the cross. The prayer of the cross.
Yeah.
The prayer of the cross. That is the weapon now.
That is what?
That prayer of the cross is the weapon.
Okay, that what they write there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is the weapon. That is what they say is what they write.
Yeah.
Is on the cross like this.
Okay, it's on the cross.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is the weapon. That is what they say.
Okay, the prayer of the cross is the weapon.
Yes,
That what they wrote?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is the weapon.
Okay.
Uh,
Alright.
that is what they say.
Okay. Is weapon to do what?
Weapon for your children now.
Okay, for my children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody who pray prayer of the cross
Yes, sir.
will be saved.
Yes,
huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, check and see another thing you're seeing. We can't see. Check.
Daddy, everything that you used to, everything that you used to talk here, it's as if if you are in the pulpit talking back, it's as if you are seeing it. You are looking heaven before you are saying it.
Okay, before I'm saying.
You don't say anyone on yourself.
Okay.
You don't.
How? Is there any connection?
Yes.
What is that?
If you are talking now,
It's
like this place now is open like this. Yes, this place now, you are here. This place is open like this, giving you.
Okay. Giving me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
giving you. You don't speak on your own.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How do you know?
I'm saying you. He's dropping on you. He's giving to you. The place is just open like this. They are giving you. They are giving you.
Okay. Word to speak.
Yes, sir.
The word is coming like what?
The word is coming like the word is dropping on your head like snow.
Like snow.
Yes, sir. It's dropping at the middle of your head like this.
Okay.
That is how it's dropping.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
At the middle of my head.
Yes,
Okay.
and Bible is open like this.
Okay, Bible is
Open on its own.
It open on its own?
Yes, on its own. I don't know whether I didn't see any hand holding it, but it's open.
It's open.
Yes, sir.
Then what do you have to talk about Word Lord Ministry and the book of Revelation and the prophecy of John? Check. Did the Bible write about Word Lord Ministry during the time John was prophesying in the book of Revelation? Check.
John was telling people now.
Okay.
John was going about telling people.
Okay.
I've read it now.
Okay, you have read it?
I've read it.
Okay.
But John is holding Bible.
Okay.
He's holding Bible. He's still telling people
Okay.
that the new earth, the old earth,
Yeah.
that is what he's telling people now.
That was he's telling people?
And that is what he's holding that Bible.
Okay.
And the road that he's passing is not the road is not big like that.
Yeah.
But he's still passing
Okay.
a narrow road. He's telling people.
Okay.
He's telling people, but people are coming out from their houses.
Okay.
They are, when they hear his voice,
Okay.
they will come out of their house, wherever they are staying. Look at them, they are trooping on the road.
Okay.
Trooping on the road, both the little children.
Yeah.
Yes.
The little children? How many are children there?
There are plenty.
There are plenty?
Their mother is at the back, there they are at the front.
Okay, they are in the front?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, let's go to the Garden of God. Let's go in the New Jerusalem. Let's check the environment of the New Jerusalem. Give us a description of the environment in the New Jerusalem. Beds. Just describe.
All of them.
What?
All of them did.
Check.
Daddy,
Yeah.
you are just watching. You are there.
Okay.
You are there.
Okay.
You don't do without white clothes.
Okay.
Yes. You are there.
Okay.
And you are with one woman. You are just imagine the place.
Okay.
Imagine the people around in this Jerusalem now.
Okay.
You are just imagine the whole thing.
Yeah.
So you went and sat one place and you were putting on white. You went and sat one place. One woman is coming to greet you.
Okay, one man is calling
To greet you.
Okay.
And that woman is not black.
Okay. It's a white man.
Yes, sir. It's
A
a white
woman.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's coming to greet you.
Right.
He greet you. You are welcome, sir. She bend before you.
She bent before me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. What do you have to say about healing, deliverance, and what do you have to say? Let's check.
As you are delivering people,
Mm-hmm.
look at people that you are praying for, that you are doing deliverance for them.
Yeah.
This angel, I'm only seeing the wing.
Okay, the window.
But I'm seeing a wing, but that person is inside you.
Okay. The
Is-
person is inside me?
Yes, but the wing is outside.
Okay.
He cannot enter. He cannot enter with his wing finished. So the wing is outside.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
The wing is outside, but he's in you.
Okay. Healing.
Yes, he's in you.
Okay.
And anything that you said,
Mhm.
that is how it happens.
Okay.
There's one woman that you are consulting deliverance for now.
Okay.
The demon inside her, they are plenty.
Okay, there are plenty.
Yes, they are plenty.
Okay.
But it's as if they are coming plenty,
Okay.
thinking that maybe if they come, they can suppress you.
Okay.
But that man inside you is telling you that no room for them.
Okay. Okay.
So as you are using your hand on this woman now, fire is entering the woman, and those people now,
Yeah.
they cannot come in again.
Okay, they can't come in
They
again.
can't come in again. Those ones, they are using their hand. They are doing like this to tell those ones that are coming plenty.
What do you have to say about the man of God in the body language?
Daddy, you are just like Job. They are using you. They brought you out now. Yes, they say there is no one on this earth like this man. That is what they are saying now.
Okay.
And they say if only everybody on the earth can be like this man. That is what they are saying.
That's what they are saying?
Yes,
Okay.
that there is no one on this earth like you.
Okay.
Another award is still given to you.
Okay, another word.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
In Jesus Christ himself that is bringing it now.
Okay, Jesus is bringing it.
Yes, by himself.
Okay.
Yes, he's giving you a word.
Okay. Can you describe the word?
Jesus is holding it like this.
Okay.
Look at the angels. Look at the angels.
Okay.
Still a crown, but this one now is long.
Okay, it's a long crown.
It's a long crown.
Okay.
You want to wear it on this man. So you want to put the crown now.
Yeah.
He was telling you that you have done well. That what he sent you for, you have fulfilled it all.
Okay.
That, yes, that this is your reward.
Wow.
This crown is very big. It's not like that one that I saw on your head that time that you were sitting down. It's not like that crown.
Okay.
This one is different. The shyness that is coming out of this crown now, you can't even look direct to it.
Okay, you can't look direct to it.
No.
Okay, what have you to say about the birth of this person? Let's go down to when he was born.
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Okay.
You were just like that. I am seeing somebody like Jesus Christ on the ground.
Okay.
A newborn baby. He came in the way Jesus Christ came.
Okay, he came in the way?
Yes.
Okay.
That is what I'm seeing now.
Okay.
And I saw a woman lying on the ground.
Okay.
Yes, the woman that gave birth to this child.
Okay.
They say he came in the way Jesus came.
Okay.
I saw the woman like that. I saw two women.
Okay.
After those two women trying to put the woman in order.
Yeah.
See one angel at the front of the baby.
Okay.
See one at the head side.
Okay.
One at the leg side.
Okay.
One at the head side. They are holding something like white. They place it on the baby.
It's white.
Yes.
Okay.
And the other one place the other side place this one here place.
Okay.
They place it on the baby heart like this.
Okay.
Yes.
On the heart of the baby.
Yes. That thing is like a sword,
okay.
and the thing is putting power in there.
Okay.
So these angels here, this one here, they are just watching. So after everything, they say they have finished their work.
They have finished their work.
They now left.
They left.
So this one now, I'm hearing a word that it has been fulfilled. I'm hearing a word that I've lived my word with him.
Okay.
That is what the word is saying.
Okay.
I've lived my word with him.
Okay.
That is what that word is saying.
All right.
So.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The women now, they have carried the baby.
They have carried the baby?
Yes.
Where are they going?
They are taking the baby to their house.
Okay, how did they give the name? Check. Why did they give him, call him?
That woman that gave birth to that child that time, he carried the baby like this. He looked directly into the baby face, into the baby eyes, direct. So this baby shall be called Ifanacho.
Okay, Ifanacho.
That is what the mother is saying.
Okay.
But two women that are still there with her, they did not agree. And people are coming now to see the baby.
Okay.
They are asking what is the name.
Okay.
They are asking what is the name. The mother told them they have given the baby name.
Yeah. Okay.
But the name, there is somebody that did not agree with that name. That my child will be called.
Okay, what's the meaning of the name?
They are speaking language. I don't know the meaning.
Okay, you don't know the meaning?
Wait.
God will translate it to you.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. That look at that man now. Look at, there's one man. He's coming from up now with that same sword that time, that white sword that he's holding.
Yeah.
The man said, so shall it be to that name.
Okay, so shall it be.
Yes.
Okay.
So shall it be to that name.
Okay.
Okay. So shall it be to that name. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? And he still touched the baby with that sword.
Okay.
Yes. So shall it be. Ifanacho. I'm following that man.
Okay, you are following the man?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to know the name of that baby.
Okay.
I'm following that man.
Okay.
The man reached one certain rock now.
Rock?
Yes, he reached one certain rock as if he's climbing a rock, want to go.
Okay.
He turned now, he told me that name is what they are looking for.
Okay, it's what
Yes, he said that baby is what they are looking for.
Okay, what baby is what they are looking for?
That is what the man, he put one leg here on the one, he's going step.
Okay.
One leg is here, one leg is here, now turn like this.
Okay.
That baby, I'm telling you, what is the meaning of that name, Ifa Nacho? He turned now, he was telling me that is what they are looking for.
Okay, that's what they are looking for.
Yes.
Who?
That baby.
The school are looking for.
He said that is what the world are looking for.
Okay, that what the world.
That is what the world are looking for.
Okay, that what the world are looking for.
Yes.
Wow.
That is what the man have gone now. He just told me he left.
He left.
Climbed go to mountain.
Mountain.
Yes.
Okay, which day was the man born? The financial born. Check. Are you there?
I'm not there.
Okay, you are not there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm not there.
Okay.
I'm just seeing, they are just rejoicing. That is what I'm just seeing.
Okay, they are just rejoicing?
Yes.
Okay, what was the challenge of the baby when he was born? I hope that is right. Okay. What was the challenge? Encounter the challenges he had.
What they are telling me now, they say he grows like Jesus Christ.
That
he grows like Jesus Christ.
Okay, he grows like Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Okay.
That is what they are. And I'm seeing the boy.
Okay.
I'm seeing that boy.
Okay.
I saw him. I saw him. Here. I saw him here.
Okay. Where?
I saw him in the bush.
Okay.
I saw him now in the house.
Okay.
I saw him in one lonely road again going.
Okay.
Yes. And this boy he was just behaving like an old man.
Okay.
That is what I'm seeing.
Now what you are seeing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is this boy is behaving more than his. That is. It's as if what I'm seeing that boy doing now.
Yeah.
Even the way he talks, it doesn't look like him.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It doesn't. It's as if it's not the. If you look at this boy, it's not what. Look at the boy. Look at the boy. They say he's like Jesus Christ.
Okay, they say it's like?
Yes, they say it's like Jesus Christ.
Okay.
That is what I'm hearing.
That's what you are hearing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's alright. What's the name of the mother? Check.
I didn't know the name of the mother.
You didn't know?
I didn't know the name of the mother.
Check.
I didn't know the name.
Check. Okay. Let's supply you with angels so that you will ask them. There you are. Are they with you now? Can you see angels?
Yes.
Can you see angels? How many of them?
There are plenty. I'm hearing Ukamaka. I'm hearing
They didn't tell you? Okay, they refuse to tell you? Okay, right. So, let's come back to Word God Ministry. So long as they don't want to tell you the name of the mother, let's come back to Word God Ministry. What happened?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
You don't know what happened? Eh? You came to clean church?
Yeah.
Who kept you here?
That time that we came, you called us now.
Okay.
It's Ramadan.
Yeah?
It's Ramadan.
Okay, your madam is here. What's happened?
I don't know, Daddy.
Why haven't
We
you
came
gone?
to your office now.
Why haven't you gone? What happened? You were sleeping? Yeah?
But you were talking to us now. You were talking to us.
About what?
You were telling us about water.
Okay.
With the Abogageri.
Okay. You went to heaven. What did you see in heaven?
We are here together.
You can't remember what you saw now? What we are talking?
I said, before I wake up, it's like I'm sleeping.
Okay.
It's like I'm sleeping. Before I wake up now, what I saw, I just saw angels.
You saw?
They brought me.
Okay.
It's like they take me somewhere. They brought me that is what I just knew now.
Okay. Just the only thing, they brought you? The angels?
They brought me.
They brought you?
Yes.
Hellfire, we watch what was happening there. We go to the garden. From garden, we go to my village.